Welcome back, everybody. Another wonderful day in the garage. So, I struggle with air filtration in this garage. I do a bunch of stuff in here, so I thought it might be time to filter stuff. So that's where this thing comes in. There's the model. It obviously hangs from the ceiling of the garage, which we're going to put it right there. So let's go ahead and unbox it. And as you can see, I have the running boards there, the Fab Heavy Parts running boards. We'll finish those in another video. For now, let's take a peek at this. Got that. That's pretty sweet. Got a handle. And what I presume are the chains. I hate styrofoam. In the old shop we had, I had something similar to this, and they just use filters, and then there's filter units in here too. And those just come out clean. So this will get hung up at the ceiling. Here's our remote. And it even comes with those guys. So it has these hooks. We're not going to use those. We're going to use these ones because they're self-drilling. Pick up these nuts. Alright, I'll grab a ladder. So, because I'm an old fat guy and I'm by myself, what I'm going to do is measure our mounting. 13.5 by 12. So I'm going to measure up there where I want to put these, and then we'll hang it up. So let me get this hardware ready and right back. Alright, there they are in there. And that's how I mounted that on there. It was just way easier. Those are universal chains according to the instructions, so yeah, that's the way I did that. So now, I'm not going to record this because it's going to be a massive, it would be way too funny for you guys, so I'm going to try to get this up there by myself. So, my big butt got that up there. This is the remote. So I have it sucking from that side over there and blowing it over here because we'll be spraying kind of where that is. And that's kind of the whole purpose for this. So yeah, there's a timer and an airspeed. I have to make some changes to my outlet up there. So up there at my outlet, I have the garage door opener and then my smart door opener. It's a Mero sensor. So I gotta figure out what I'm doing there. But other than that, this is installed. Super easy. Hopefully it makes a big difference in the air quality out here while I'm spraying stuff. Make life a little bit easier. But so anyway, I'll get it started up and I'll show you guys in the next video just a little bit of operation. But yeah, that's it for today. Like, subscribe, share us. Let's keep growing the channel. Deuces, everybody.